Hi everyone, this is SJ here from the Hidden Reaper 07 channel, and today I'm going to be talking to you about an application called OnTopReplica. For those of you who do not know about this application, this is a great app that you can stream on Twitch and have your chat over your game at the same time. So you don't have to minimize your game and look at the chat or look at a second monitor. It is great for single monitor use, and I'm going to show you how to set it up right now. First thing you're going to do is you're going to need to use a browser, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Google Chrome. And then you're going to search OnTopReplica. I already have it here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, you're going to have a list, and you're going to click on the first one here that says Lorenz CK OnTopReplica. Once you go onto their site, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see installation, and you're going to click on latest version. Once you click that, the next one you're going to go click on is the OnTopReplica v3.5.1 fixzip. And then from there, you're going to need WinRAR and extract that from WinRAR to a folder of your choosing. Once you do that, the setup icon should look like this. You should find OnTopReplica MSI, and that should go have you take the installation process, and from there, once you get it fully installed, you should be able to run it. Let me go ahead and get mine on right now. All right, it looks like this with a box, and it says right click here to start. Next thing we want to do is go to our Twitch channel. And then go to chat. Make sure your chat is a pop-out chat. And then what I would recommend doing, because of the length and size, is to adjust the size of it to maybe about that much. I would say maybe a little more than that would work. And then you're going to go back to your OnTopReplica app and right click on it and select window, and we're going to click Twitch Google Chrome. And there it is. You should see it right there. We'll go ahead and minimize the original chat browser and then this entire browser as well. So now we're just left with the OnTopReplica app. Next thing you are going to do is go to Task View. And then from there, you're going to drag your OnTopReplica app into another desktop with a game. I already have Apex Legends running, so that's going to be my example for this one. So let's go ahead and drag it in. And here it is. I'm going to drag it to the top right corner here. And when I click continue, it doesn't disappear. It doesn't go behind the screen. It's there. It's there to stay. And you can go back and forth. You know, if somebody is chatting, for example, let's go back to my Twitch, Google, and put a couple of examples here. You know, 1, 2, 3. Hi. There. With an emoji. And then go back to the game. It all picks up right here. So you don't have to scroll up, you don't have to scroll down, it's there. And you can also adjust it by using the scroller on your mouse as well. But if you do need to check something you missed, you will have to go back to the task manager, the task viewer, and go back to the original chat menu to see if you missed a comment or whatnot. But it's good if you're playing and you want to keep up with the chat and with your audience. For those of you who don't know, I haven't started streaming it, but I will be starting next week on the 13th. You're welcome to join Reaper and I. and this will be the beginning of our journey. So hopefully, some of you join us and watch what we're gonna bring to the table on Twitch. Thank you for watching my video, and goodbye.